We're first generation here in the United States. It was 6 of us, and we all lived in a small efficiency, bunk beds here and there. And so I knew that I wanted more. I first heard about the CIA when I went online and I actually looked for some of the best culinary schools in the United States.
I have wanted to go to culinary school since I was in middle school, and I always knew that the Culinary Institute of America was the top culinary school available, but never thought that I'd have the opportunity to attend. So when moving to San Antonio, I really almost thought that I'd have to give up the opportunity of going. So when I came here and learned more about the city and the fact that CIA was here, it really felt like a miracle.
What brought me to the Culinary Institute of America was I was at a section in my life where I was a little lost. I was confused, as many of the youth are. I was probably in my early 20s, so I went with my heart and I went with what I enjoyed to do, and luckily I found a mentor. It's changed my life, and there is no other program, I can guarantee there's no other program out there that has the hands-on that we have. When everyone cuts a chicken, we all cut a chicken. Every single individual person will butcher a chicken. When we do lamb, every single person is on a cut of lamb. The amount of knowledge that you're gonna learn from the vast source of professional chefs that we offer is incredible. The alumni that we have from our school is absolutely incredible. They are in high places and they run in many different markets, not only for the learning, but for after the learning when it's time to position yourself and work in the field. A lot of opportunity. I think we're as good as you're gonna get.
The CIA is superior to other culinary schools, and it is difficult and challenging and competitive and totally within anyone's reach. Anyone can come here. Anyone can make this program work for them, especially the San Antonio campus. They're super supportive financially. If you think that's an issue, don't let it stop you. There are several financial aid opportunities, and the whole campus is super supportive. If you have this dream, then do it. You will not regret it.
El Sueño, from the day I heard about it, really gave me faith and hope that this dream of mine of coming here was going to be possible. I had looked into other scholarships, and I didn't know how I was going to go about it because it was $1,000, $2,000, which would pay some of my semester. But to know that El Sueño probably did about half or 3/4 of my coverage on my tuition was just simply amazing. And all I had to do was just write an essay and give them my background and what I felt what food was about. And if you're already coming into this is something that comes out so easy. It's like just telling someone, hey, I want to go to school and this is what I want to do with it in the future.
Not everyone has the opportunity to check off the things on your bucket list, and this was the top of the list. To be able to come here and to learn and to be a part of this great institution and to learn from the top educators in the top school in a field that I am so passionate about. And I'm so grateful to come here, and really I don't know any other way to describe it other than it was truly a blessing and a miracle.